Find the ninth and the 10th term of the binomial expression 2x plus 1 upon x to the power 11. Okay, so let us see basically how we can find out this. Now we know that a general term given by tr plus 1 of a binomial expression is equal to what? It is equal to ncr, okay, x to the power n minus r, right, a to the power r. And this is in respect of a binomial expression x plus a to the power n, right? So in this particular case we have x is equal to 2x and we have a is equal to 1x, and of course n is equal to 11, right? So we have to find out what? We have to find out the 9th and the 10th term. So T9 can be written as what? 8 plus 1 is equal to NCR. What is N? N is 11. 11. C. R is what? R is this number. So R basically corresponds to 8. X to the power N minus R. 11 minus 8. Okay. Or let me just put it 11 minus 8, a to the power r. A is what? So this is basically 2x. NCR. So n is what? Basically 11. C R is what? 8. X to the power n minus r. X is what? The value of x in this case is 2x. So we just remove this x from here. 2x to the power 11 minus 8. A is what? 1 upon x to the power r. And what is r here? Again 8. Right? So this can be found out as 11 into 11 factorial upon factorial 8 factorial 3, right, into 2x to the power 3 into 1 upon x to the power 8. So factorial 11 can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 into factorial 8 divided by factorial 8 into 3 into 2. Factorial 3 can be expanded as 3 into 2. Into 2x cube can be written as 8x cube into 1 upon x to the power 8. This will cancel out this, right? This 2 will cancel out this 8 to give 4. This 3 will cancel out this 9 to give 3. So 3 times 10 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. 120 into 11 is 1320. Now this x cube will cancel out this, so this will become x to the power 5, right? So basically 1320 divided by x to the power 5. So this is going to be the 9th term of this expansion. Similarly, if you have to find out T10, this can be written as T9 plus 1. So we will get R is equal to 9 in this case. So 11C 9 into 2x is the value of x, 11 minus 9 into 1 upon x to the power r. R is what? 9, right? Now 11c9 basically will be 11 into 10 into factorial 9 upon factorial 2 into factorial 9. These 2 will cancel. 2 will give it to 5 into 2x. 11 minus 9 is what? Square. 4x square into 1 upon x to the power 9. So what are we left here? We are left with 11 into 5, 55, 55 into 4, 220. So this will give you 220 x square upon x to the power 9, or simply you can write this as 220. X square will cancel with this to leave x7 over here. So 220 divided by x to the power 7. That is going to be the 10th term of this binomial expression.